Ahoy there, matey, and welcome aboard the fine, jolly ship blindly, honestly. And those who are joining us for the first time today, I hope you enjoyed today's video as well. Ahoy! I tried, okay? I tried.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
So if you're wondering why I am dressed like a pirate and attempting to talk like one, that is because today I am going to be reviewing and doing a look using the Lorac Dead Men's Tell No Tale Pirates of the Caribbean themed eyeshadow palette. Now this palette is understandably a year or two old, but you know, I honestly forgot I had it, so I never did a tutorial with it. And I already had this costume from 2 Halloweens ago, so I decided why not dress up for this? I mean, how often do you have a costume that perfectly matches the eyeshadow palette that you're going to be reviewing? So I'm gonna bring y'all in closer and we're gonna talk about the palette. So at the time of release, this palette was about $25. It is no longer on the Lorac website, but you can buy it from Nordstrom Rack for about $25, and I will post the link I found down below. So this palette comes with 18 shades, and they are supposed to be the brand new Pro Formula eyeshadows inspired by the film. It also comes with the eyeliner, which I'm surprised didn't fall out with me holding it like this. But it comes with the eyeliner. It is in the shape of Jack Sparrow's handy dandy compass that points you to where your heart desires, which right now is an ice cold margarita. It's not working. The colors in this palette are supposed to be hyper pigmented on Nordstrom Rack website, and it says that these 18 brand new Pro Formula eyeshadows inspired by the film and the Deluxe Pro Eye Pencil are supposed to be velvetly smooth and high pigmented to perform wet or dry, so you can shade, shadow, line, or define your eyes like a pro. Now we are going to see how this palette performs. So I've already put primer on, and I put Bones on as just a setting to set my primer. And we're gonna go ahead and start playing with this palette. There's really a lot of different colors to choose from that I could start for my crease, but I think I'm going to take Pirate's Chest, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna go in and start building up my crease, and then I'll darken it with Tell No Tells. Okay, so it kind of comes off of the brush as like a soft vanilla-y tone. This is supposed to be a caramel matte, and I'm really not getting that. Like, it's not really, like, I don't know if you guys can tell. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more darker. So let me go in with Tell No Tales and see if that does a better job. Let me switch brushes to a more dense brush for this. So you can build it up, and it definitely like darkens the more you build up. And do you not love my little fallout shield? But honestly, I don't think I need it with this just because there's not much fallout. I'm mainly just using it as a guide. So this brown, which is Tell No Tales, it's very, very cool. So it's kind of coming out, and the more like I blend it into my crease, it just looks really, really smoky and almost like a gray. And I really want it to be dark. Let me keep trying to build it up. Yeah, see? I'm kind of getting upset because like on pan it did not look this like grayed out and smoky. It looked like it was going to be a nice brown. I'm going to go in with Arg, which is this one right here, and see if that'll darken it up a little bit more without making it too muddy. And I am noticing like when you take it off, there is a lot of kick up on the palette when you put it on your brush. So I'm really hoping that the other shades in this palette deliver, because I'm very, very disappointed so far. And like honestly, the reviews online were not very nice, but I wanted to find out for myself because people can be overly picky. I'm gonna go back in. I'm not even gonna bother putting Pirate's Chest on this eye just because it didn't do anything. So I'm gonna go right in with Tell No Tales and see if it makes a difference. So yeah, that actually does make a big difference, just going in with the Tell No Tales and not mixing it. It's still very smoky, but not having the Pirate's Chest underneath really made a big difference. So let's go in with ARG and darken this up a bit more just because I am going to try to do a cut crease. Okay, that's good enough. So now I'm going to attempt to cut my crease. Oh my god! So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but like my arm is completely covered in fallout powder from just getting shades off. Like, can you guys see that? I'm going to take my concealer. I'm just going to use Kat Von D and just... Everything always looks better on this eye. I don't know why. Just everything I try to do looks so much better on this eye. Okay, so now that I have the stick, well, it's still sticky, I'm gonna go in with my Storybook Cosmetics because I don't buy fake. I bought the real Storybook Cosmetics. There is a lot of fake wand brushes out there, but I only buy ones that have yes. So now I'm going to go in with this flat brush. This is from Storybook Cosmetics. And what am I feeling right now? I think I'm going to pick up this shade right here, Sea Haze, and I'm just going to go into the inner corner and work it in. And fallout be damned, I'm just gonna go. I'm not even gonna use my shield because I want to see if there's fallout. Ooh! Hello, Sea Haze. Hey! Oh my god. Yeah, that is freaking gorgeous. Oh my god. Like, I'm not even over exaggerating right now. I am in love with this shade. Like, I'm normally not someone that gets like overly excited with eyeshadow shades, but I am feeling Sea Haze right now. Right, so I'm going to do the same on the other eye because I'm in love with Sea Haze. Like, where has this shade been all my life? So now what do I want to do on my outer corner? Well, I think just to kind of make it look good with Sea Haze. Yeah, I think just to kind of blend it in with the Sea Haze because it's kind of close to each other. I think I'm going to go in with Black Pearl, which is this iridescent, like, greeny blue shade right here. And I think I'm going to use that into my outer corner. And for that, what kind of brush should I use? You guys know I'm not professional at all, so I never know what brush to use for these type of looks. So I think I'm going to go in with this flat brush from Storybook and go in with Black Pearl and just kind of blend it into, okay, so far so good. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. Okay, that's a good brush. So, I don't like how that brush was doing it, so I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush from Coastal Scents and kind of build it up more. And I'm also going to blend in that where they meet. Okay, so there is definitely fallout. It's there, hey. So I'm gonna go back in with Sea Haze and kind of just they make them hug or they're meeting? Ooh, look at that, how that blends into it, just like kind of like just like a wave rolling into each other. Okay, that's good. Okay. I see you, C. Hayes. I see you. And it did not seem this shimmery on my other eye. I need to buff it out more. Okay. So now I'm going to take Menace, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to go under my eye. I definitely feel like a pirate because I have like dirt all over my face from these shades. Oh my god. Okay. So now I'm going to take the Lorac eyeliner and I'm going to line. Oh! This eyeliner actually has a spinner on the bottom to get more out. So I don't know if it's like just me, but I feel like this eye is definitely brighter than this eye. Like, I don't know. So I had to go wipe my face because I looked dirty. So now I'm going to take this brush right here and I'm going to go in with Lost at Sea, which is this really pretty baby blue. And I'm going to just put a little bit in my inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to go do my lashes and my liner, and I will be right back. Okay, now I have finished my whole look. These eyelashes, by the way, are from Azurito Cosmetics. And they have been nice enough to give me a discount code just for you, my lovely friends. So if you go down below, you will see my discount code for you. I believe it is about 10% off. It might be more. So check it out and find out. They have a lot of really nice lashes. My favorite are these ones, which are Doll and Irresistible. Irresistible lashes are so pretty. If you go to my Instagram, you will see a picture I posted of me wearing them from last weekend. And they're just so pretty and wispy. They are... Anyways, so they are very pretty and wispy. These ones are Doll. They're like, they're separated. And I really like this brand because they have a white thin clear, or a white clear band that the lashes are on. They're not black and thick. So, to the palette. I honestly was surprised with how some of the shades performed, but I was also disappointed. Like, Pirate's Chest I thought was going to be prettier. Didn't really get a chance to play with Silent Mary. Shiver Me looks like it'd be a really pretty because it's like a silver. I definitely need to play with this palette more, but from a first impression and from this little look, I'm definitely impressed with like Sea Haze and Lost at Sea. It is very bright. It blended in very, very nicely with Black Pearl, which is a iridescent blue, so it worked really good together. I'm disappointed with Tell No Tales, which is what I used in the crease, because it kind of just made it look muddy. Arg is the shade that kind of saved the day with this look because it really, really darkened it up. If you are interested in getting this palette, I will link it down below. It's from Nordstrom Rack because the L'Oreal website itself does not have it listed anymore. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit my bell so you'll get notifications. Because, I mean, if you're watching this video, you obviously got this far, so you liked the video, right? Why would you not like it so it gets shared on Twitter? And why would you not subscribe? I mean, come on. So I post every Friday and Wednesdays. I promise Fridays and I try on Wednesdays. How about that? So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit notifications so you'll be notified when I post new videos. So I'm going to go ahead and get going. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video in my costume. I really had fun doing this look. I am still just in shock and in love with how this sea haze looks. Like, it's such a pretty green. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you. Bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm